Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Copilot with Microsoft 365. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all you will be needing to do is to simply go to your Microsoft account, and from there, you will find in the application your Microsoft Copilot. So as you can see, it is already used or integrated. And from here, you will be able to search for whatever. You can ask him to go for anything for you. So let's, for example, go to this one. And from here, we will just open this document and let's see if it will be opened or not, or there was some problem. So basically, uh, this is our documents here, and it is a book that has been converted to here. And basically now we can simply find many things that we can use. For example, we can simply go to the Copilot chat, or you can here search for whatever you would like to do, and simply we can go to the Copilot chat and then add the pages to it. So from here, let's just go to pages, and we haven't created anything. So I'm just going to ask him to do whatever. Like you can go, let's just ask him for that, and I'm just going to click on enter, and you will have just a generative AI chat that he can answer your questions, and those are the sources from where he got the information and many other stuff. And also, if you want something specific, you can go to uh, other application and find more Copilot things. So let's just get applications, and from here you'll find Copilot. So basically, uh, that's it. This is how you can use Copilot into your Microsoft account. Thank you for watching. See you next time.